Hey guys, one man, one camera. So right now we are on Flamingo and Paradise, just across from the Silver Sevens in the Morton Steakhouse parking lot. We are taking a ride up Paradise from here, and we're gonna go swing past the construction on the Las Vegas Convention Center expansion. And as usual, I'll give the play-by-play of things I know and things that I see. All right, you guys. So there is the Bahama Breeze. Been there once. All right, it is about 108 degrees today. 1:48, 1:49 in the afternoon. It is a real scorcher, and I can feel the sweat rolling down my neck. All right, let's rock and roll and rock and roll. First up, we have Rodeo Paradise. Epoxy little street mall, blah, let's keep going. What we do have here is this thing called Check City Cash Advance. For those of you not Americans, people get paid with direct deposit, into the bank or by a check. And some people in the country do not have a bank account. So, in order to cash their check, they can go to a bank, but it can be more convenient to go to a check cashing place. Now, these check cashing places do charge a fee. I don't recall the fee. I used them before when I was like in high school. After working, we go down there, cash our checks, and go, get some pizza. But it is an interesting concept, and I guess they do loans and so on, cash advances and so on, check cashing. I don't know how it works in other countries, but that's how it works over here. So, I know in good old Nippon, most of it's going to be direct deposit. There are very few checks cut, maybe some sort of business check sort of thing. What do you call securities firms, that sort of thing, moving money around. Sometimes the old courier style. But I think it should all be direct deposit for paychecks. Anyway, blah, my little rant. Okay, to the left is a brewery called Gordon Birch. Never been there, don't know the prices. I know very little to nothing, so voila. And then here is La Quintana Hotel. Oh, but wait a minute, but you know what? Hang on a second. We passed the Candlewood. I stayed there once, like on a New Year's Eve, I think. It's like $240. Ugh. Anyway. The wind's in our face. Let's see how the wind does today. And I will try to keep the wind down if I can. All right, set-eye. To the left is the, what's the thing called? It's a business park called, I think, Hughes Business Park. I don't know what shops are in there. And then to the right, we have Marrakesh. Belly dancing nightly. Never been there. Always thought about it, but never been there. Oh, this is the Double Eagle Steakhouse over here. So I presume they have good steaks. All right. Now this little flat mall or street mall. What do you call these things? Anyway, outdoor mall. What do you call these things? I forgot. Anyway, Subway, nail salon, Thai restaurant, Citibank, and so on. If you recall, maybe you don't, but last year or 2 years ago, there was a huge conflagration here in the back, right? And there were, I think, businesses and apartments back here. They got burned down to the ground. And I guess they have not been replaced. This is the first time my being over here since then. Oh, yeah, you see all this was burned up. Yeah, that's too bad, That's really too bad. So this whole area just went up in flames, So I think there were no injuries, no deaths, which is nice, but still a lot of folks lost a lot of stuff. So, that was too bad. All right. Strip mall, that's the word I'm looking for. Strip mall, strip club, strip mall, strip club, strip mall. How could I forget that word, strip? All right. And on this side of the strip mall, Citibank with Jersey Mike Subs. Cleaver is a, I think it's an upscale restaurant. Cleaver, like a, meat cleaver, chopping up meat. I think that's what it is. Sushi way, all you can eat. And then the place called Tacos and Beer, Tacos y Cerveza. Popular place, I believe. Come down here, get your tacos and beer and just chill out and relax. I'm not sure of the prices. I think they got a strong name. What's this clown doing? Hey pal, no back in the parking lot. You know, but it was like a Sunday afternoon, nearly 2 o'clock, and the place seems to have some customers. All right, let's keep on riding. Southwest Airlines. Woohoo! Hughes Business Park. I think it was called Hughes Business Park. He asked the name. Okay. And see, here we go. Talk about some beer. And to the left, that building to the left, that is brand new. I thought it was going to be a business office, but in fact, they are apartments called Elysian. I don't know the price, but I will look for them real quick. Ding! I found them. Fairfield Inn Marriott to the right. There's Firefly, Tapas Kitchen and Bar. Never tried these guys. But anyway, like I said, this place is brand new right here. I'm not sure if they're open yet. All right. DJ Friday, Saturday night, run special Sunday brunch. Open for lunch, loud music playing. So hey, get in there and enjoy yourself. Into the street. Almost paradise. So this is the east side, okay? East side Las Vegas. And once again, here's our monorail tracks. It's McDonald's here, been here before. I think I used the bathroom once or twice. Emerald Suites. I think Emerald Suites is one of those places where you can pay by the week or pay by the month, fully furnished, apartment, hotel living sort of thing. I've never been inside there. I cannot comment on the rooms. And then there's Embassy Suites, which is your proper hotel. Speedy Mart. I always think of Quickie Mart. Who needs a Quickie Mart? Let's throw a Quickie Mart. All right. Let's get cracking. And coming up, wait a minute, where are we? Okay, coming up is the Mardi Gras Hotel. Never been there, but they always advertise as having cheap drinks and a place to drink or whatever, but I never went inside, so scary. I never went inside, so I really cannot comment. Okay, so here we are at the Mardi Gras Hotel. I wonder if it's good, bad, or medium, you know? Good, bad, or medium. Let me go this way. Mardi Gras Hotel. Now you are off the strip, so either you can walk that 20 minutes or so, or hop on a Uber or Lyft sort of thing. Now here's more apartments right here. We say now leasing 1, 2, 3 bedroom, or stop in or call in for a move-in special. What's this place called? Vegas Diplomat. Sounds nice, but you never know, right? The Vegas Diplomat. I wonder. We'll be crossing Sierra Vista in a hot second. And then there's one more hotel over here called the Renaissance Las Vegas, or Envy the Steakhouse. I don't know if they're any good. I wonder. Now this place is right next to the convention center. So, you know, if you were staying here, well, would you want to stay here at a convention, or do you want to stay on the strip? I guess it depends on if you're on the company dime or not, right? So, well, if I'm in on the strip, I can do more things, have more fun if I am way out here. So anyway, and there's the other road end, the entry. Oh, they have COVID testing here too. Oh, just saw that sign. Huh. Big sign said COVID testing in the Bronze lot, which I think that's the one over on Sierra Vista and something. I think that's the Bronze lot. I forget. All right. Yes. It's okay. See the sign for the West Gate out there? And from what I read, for those of you who love poker, Trooper Thursdays will be starting again. I didn't read the, I didn't watch the video, but I saw it on Twitter. I think it was Twitter. So hey, good for him. Now, as many of us are aware, Elon Musk's Boring Company is making very good inroads here in Vegas. I believe the tunnel from one side of the complex to the other is almost complete, or is complete. I forgot what they said. But check this out. So now we are in the north parking lot, well, outside of the north parking lot. And if you look over here, let's just zoom in a little bit. Okay, a little more. That's part of the tunnel construction, those tubular things, okay? And so I imagine the digging here, you think it's the station for people to exit out of? You know, I guess it's the big talk. Do you have the exit inside of the convention center itself? Or do you have it like in part of the parking lot, you turn that into an underground entrance or an entrance to the underground people mover? So hey, some engineers should know, but I just thinking out loud, okay? All right. So there's the old part, this is North Halls. And so there's the old part of the convention center. And then to the left, if we look, we see this baby right here. Yeah, got that glass bridge. Now I wonder, I never asked this before, but I wonder if it will be air conditioned, because the glass bridge walking over from the Circa parking lot, well, garage Mahal, to the Circa Hotel will be air conditioned. I wonder if that will be also. I would think so. You know, spend $1 billion, right? You can at least put some AC in the bridge, right? So hey, all right. So we're gonna turn left on Convention Center and just zip past the expansion. Okay. I mean, like, what's happening, man? It's my Sammy Davis Jr. Impression. Yeah, baby. Well, that was what was it called? The Spy Who Loved Me. The Spy Who Shagged Me. All right, here we go. Let's see. So check it out. Making progress. It's all cleaned up. Scaffolding is gone. It was gone last time also. Thought I mentioned it again. And it's looking pretty good, yeah? Well, I like the look. So now, this was to be open for CES 2021. But CES has been canceled. They'll do an online thing or something, you know, with all the vendors having their moment throughout the CES. I presume there'll be a website, and you know, check in here, sign up for the seminar or the talk or the keynote address or whatever it is. So, interesting, you guys. Yep, let's see. There we go. So yeah, you know. Who knows when things will turn around, but they're trying to get things done and ready. I like this roof, like I said before, how it has the holes in it, or the design with the holes in it. It's good. Now to the left, we just passed a Marriott, sorry guys. Anyway, to the left, this is the spot for the Majestic Resort Spa Sky Suites. And whenever they're gonna break ground, so we'll see. All right. So, and that's it, you guys. Looking good. Just drive by Sunday. Drive by Sunday. Pow pow! Drive by Sunday here in Vegas. Check it out. See it? The bollards. are just waiting to be installed over here too. Yeah, you know. What are we at? 22 minutes? Pardon me. All right. And there it is in all its glory. Pardon me. See? Looks nice to me, you know? Of course, the interior will just be you know, open spaces for the vendors and the show people to show off their wares, which should be nice. You know, I hope like at CES 2022, I hope they have a, you know, like a grand reopening and say, all right, everyone, come on down, pay your money, take your chances. That'd be fun. But anyway, I'm just rambling on about you guys. Like I always say, thank you very much for watching. Like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Stay cool and hydrated wherever you are, and have a great day. All right, and take care of yourself and have a nice weekend. All right, you guys, your old pal, one man, one camera. Adios.